Let's talk about the offer part first. So what are your doubts when it comes to offers? Because see, I gave everyone a very detailed overview last time, which is in front of the screen. Ramit, what's your doubt when it comes to offer? Where are you stuck?
So, for example, and I'll probably get to learn a lot from you helping those who are coaches here, is how to craft an offer for someone who is just starting their coaching business. Like, what are the elements that they need to put in their offer? How do they decide the duration? How do you price that?
Okay. So how do you decide the duration and how do you go about pricing it?
Yeah, and also how do you create that differentiation? If the USP, yeah.
We will discuss that.
Oh.
Hmm?
That is part of it, but how do you put it on?
USP, duration, pricing. Anything else?
Irresistible.
That's USP only.
Anything else?
Discussing product offers.
What's the ideal price difference, offerings, value proposition?
Okay, cool. So some of you all weren't at the last event, so I'm just going to quickly go over a quick overview of what this means, and this will give you pretty much a basic idea, and then after that it doesn't make sense, then I'll go deeper into these things, right? I'm going to talk about 3 models which I'm familiar with, and these work best, okay? The first one is evergreen group coaching / course model, right? If you are doing any kind of course or you're doing some sort of coaching, it's pretty simple in terms of deliverables. You have 2 group coaching calls per week. We have 4 now, because the reason I have 4 now is because I want to make sure that not I'm the only one hosting both the calls, and I have coaches as well who can help me with the same. There's a Facebook group, there's in-depth course material, and there's a community manager, and there are onboarding calls, right? I wouldn't recommend doing group onboarding calls for anyone, but I already touched upon what onboarding calls are yesterday. Who exactly is this best for? So this is mainly for B2C market, like probably Ninad, right? I noticed, Ninad, like how we were discussing yesterday, you were trying to go too deep into the fulfillment at this point of time, and it's kind of like my fault for recommending you Hormozy but not giving you the precautions along with it before you read that. It's like, you know, the keys to a nuclear plant, but you have to have the warning list as well, right? So if it's a B2C offer, it can be done in B2B markets. I'm not saying it's impossible. I did this for 2-3 years, this exact model. Over time, I've realized it's not the best, and I'll talk about why. But for B2B, it's not the best. For B2C, it's like pretty much awesome, like the best thing you can get. It's been there since like ages. Price points 35K to 1.5 lakhs. This is what we have officially tested in India. For this exact offer, it works very well if you're offering to a beginner market. Yes, that's why it said it's old. So lifetime access you get to the program, and you know, why lifetime access? Because see, beginners are like going to need more attention, and you know, you can't give like a time. For example, for us, we can't give you a time frame for a beginner, like when you will be launching the business. Some people do it after a year, some people do it in a month or 2. It depends upon their motivation level. And if somebody's like prime job isn't to build a business and work on their business, they won't be that motivated to do it. So yeah, that's why lifetime access. Some coaches are updating this to annual subscription. I'll talk about that in a bit. So what are the key distinctions? Basically, as you scale, you want to add more group coaching calls, like maybe like how we added 4, maybe you'll need 5 to 6, maybe even multiple per day. But I don't think right now you are at that level of scale. You can also divvy out calls by topic, like how we have. So on Monday, there will be marketing call with Romit. On Wednesday, tech call with Vishal. Thursday, business call with me. Saturday, there will be sales call with Pratham. The key to making this model work is having a very good course material. One person I got great reference from regarding this is Sam Owen's Consulting Accelerator. If you, well, he doesn't sell it anymore, but yeah, it was a great course if you have access to it. If not, just look at my UAbility Blue program. That'll give you pretty much a great idea. As you scale, you might want to have some CSDs, which are client success directors. These are inside salespeople who are commissioned towards actually basically selling. They do the upsells for you. They are on commissions plus a base salary. So what we do is their salary would be anywhere between 30K to 50K per month, plus percentage of upsells and pending payment collections. And yeah, like they do some one-on-ones as well, Facebook Messenger support, and they are community manager, and they can also do group onboarding calls. Is that clear to everyone?